You may have heard this term before, website sticky. This refers to the ability to keep your website visitors on your website longer and keep them coming back. The longer they stay, the better chance you have to sell them on your product or service. Let's face it, once someone has been to your site, if you didn't have what they wanted or didn't offer something of value that changes, chances are they won't be back, and your site will be long forgotten. One of the best ways to keep your visitors on your site, and to bring them back again and again, is by giving your visitors a reason to be there in the first place. Content is key to getting traffic. If you can offer your visitors advice, tips or articles on related topics to your website, they will use you as a resource and as an expert in that subject area. A great example of using content to gain traffic can be found on any great website, from horoscope sites to interior design, and on just about any subject. I recently read an interview with a website owner that offers flash cartoons that he creates on a regular basis. This was a hobby to him that turned into a huge money-making venture. He actually sells nothing, but has click ads that bring in a huge revenue. This is rather of the reverse of most people's websites. Typically, the website is selling something and offers information and advice to keep their visitors around or coming back. You probably have visited websites for the purpose of gaining knowledge on something, maybe even how to put your website together. You will probably find those sites selling hosting packages or domain names or something related. If you don't have someone that can write articles for you, don't worry. I doubt few website owners employ a full-time staff writer. Never fear, there are all kinds of websites that offer resources for webmasters, including free content feeds. If you do a search on any search engine, look for free reprintable articles. You get a good list of sites that offer just that. The most important thing to remember is why people are visiting your site in the first place. Make sure whatever content you choose makes sense to present to your visitors. If they associate you with certain content, you can believe they will be back again to read more. If you are not sure where to find free content, please visit http://www.silverspoonmurals.com. This site features articles on arts and crafts, decorating and parenting, but also offers free website content for webmasters via completely configurable JavaScript and RSS feeds in over 30 subject categories, drawing from a database of over 26,000 articles. You don't need to be a webmaster to use these feeds. It's a simple copy-paste process.